Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, the go-to channel for holistic health solutions. And today, we're diving into a topic that many of us have faced at some point, dealing with yellow phlegm. It's not just bothersome, it can be downright uncomfortable. But fear not. We've got some incredible natural remedies lined up that are both easy and effective. Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss out on these game changers. If you constantly feel like you need to clear your throat or you can't stop coughing up thick, yellow mucus, this video is for you. Stick around as I reveal simple, natural solutions you can do from the comfort of your own home to find relief. First, I'll explain some of the common causes behind excess yellow phlegm so you understand why it develops. Next, I'll share my go-to natural expectorant recipe that helps loosen mucus, making it easier to cough up. I'll give you specifics on ingredients and directions. Then, I'll go into some lifestyle changes like staying hydrated and getting adequate rest that can help clear respiratory congestion. Finally, I'll discuss other natural remedies like steam, certain essential oils, and drainage techniques that can help get rid of excess phlegm. Yellow phlegm can occur due to viral or bacterial infections, smoking, allergies, dry air, and more. Understanding the cause will help you find the right remedy. My homemade natural expectorant contains ingredients like honey, lemon, ginger, cayenne pepper, and garlic, which all contain properties that help loosen and thin mucus. I'll walk through how to mix the ingredients properly and consume the drink for best results. Drink this a few times a day to get rid of coughing up yellow phlegm. Staying hydrated by drinking lots of water, herbal tea, broths, etc. can help thin out mucus consistency, making it less sticky. Get adequate sleep and rest to improve immune function to fight off underlying infections. Using a humidifier, especially at night, can improve moisture in air passages and loosen up phlegm. Steaming over a bowl of hot water with essential oils like menthol, peppermint, and eucalyptus can help loosen phlegm. Certain essential oils can also be consumed or applied topically to open airways. Try different drainage positions like lying on your back with head tilted downwards while sleeping to allow gravity to remove phlegm from passages.